Thanks. What's that tree doing? There we go. Whew. That's a tough little spot right there. The dirt's a little greasy behind it as well. Like that. Something like that come from. So how are we looking? Climbable. I guess I can give it a shot. Feels a little slick, but we'll see. Looks like it's getting pretty smooth though. Yeah. There we go. Wow. All right, so I made it up the hill, Valhalla. Now I'm gonna try and scooch my bike across the top, which is really steep and off camber. And I watched a video of another fellow Valhalla rider high side slide all the way down that just recently, so I gotta creepy crawl across just to get over there real quick. There we go. Safely across. I'm going to continue on the rest of Valhalla all the way to the next ravine, which will take you back down. And it's just as gnarly as the one going up. That's okay. Just my suggestion on this, I always kind of want to sit down on this, but on this off-camera stuff, you really want to stay off of the seat, because if the bike starts to fall to the downside, you're kind of stuck to the seat. And if you're standing with your foot up on the high side, you have a better chance of escaping when the bike starts to fall. All right. So there's the ticket. If you make it up Valhalla both ways, that means you gotta do the climb I just did and then come back up the climb the one I'm about to go down. Climb it up both ways, and you get a ticket to Valhalla, which are right there. There's a few left. I have to order some more. Wow, looks like we had a rock come down. So I got that spot cleared up. I think, let's see how we're, yeah, it's far enough away. Go. All right, everything looks good. Steep. Pretty good. Lots of roots and rocks and whatnot. All right. So it's interesting how this has developed. That section right there used to be so hard. I guess probably still pretty hard going down, up, but it's got a lot of dirt in it now. This spot here, it's always tough because it's really sharp. There we go. All right. those brave souls want to climb up. Granted, this whole thing is difficult, but there's a extra technical line right here. So it's all extremely difficult. But there's sections that are just downright treacherous. Woo! Right over there. Let's see if I can get a look at it from the bottom. Okay, so you can come up through here, and also up through there. This is a lot of fun. Like I said, it's really technical, and you should probably have somebody with you, just in case you get in a bind, stuck under your bike or something like that. Woo! That was it. Valhalla.